All aboard, discovering Iran by train. Iran, a land of ancient history, vibrant culture and warm hospitality. Forget planes. Taking the train is the real way to see it. Picture this, you, a cup of hot chai and the sun setting over the desert. That's the magic of train travel in Iran. Iran's train network is extensive. It connects bustling cities and charming villages. You can find modern, comfortable trains on popular routes. These trains often have sleepers and dining cars. Train travel in Iran is affordable and convenient. It's also a great way to meet locals and other travelers. So, ready to ditch the airport hassles? Let's get you on board. Why you should book your train ticket early. Iranians love their trains, especially during holidays and peak seasons. Don't get caught out. Book in advance to avoid disappointment. Trust me, you don't want to be stuck without a ticket, especially if you're on a tight schedule. Planning ahead gives you peace of mind. Plus, you'll have more options to choose the best seats and times. Remember, popular routes sell out quickly. Don't wait until the last minute. Book your ticket as soon as you know your travel dates. How to secure your seat online versus offline. Buying train tickets in Iran is easy. You have two main options, online or offline. Online is convenient. Several websites sell Iran train tickets. Raja Passenger Train, Rai.r, is the official site. It's in Persian, so get a friend to help or use a translation tool. Prefer a more personal touch? Head to a train station or authorized ticket office. These are in most cities. They can help you find the right train and ticket for your needs. Insider tips for a smooth train journey in Iran. Choosing the right seat can make your journey more enjoyable. For scenic routes, grab a window seat. Want more space? Opt for a first-class ticket. Train stations can be busy. Arrive early to avoid the rush. This gives you time to find your platform and settle in. Iranians are incredibly hospitable. Don't be surprised if you're offered snacks or tea by fellow passengers. It's all part of the experience. Enjoy the ride and soak up the beauty of Iran.